Okay, so today we're going to have a look at pie charts and how to approach them and answer them if they come up in the 11 plus. So the first thing to notice about a pie chart is its shape. It is a circle. So this means we know with a circle that there are 360 degrees in a circle. So this is useful information for later when we have to try and solve the questions. With pie chart questions, they will generally ask you for an amount, a percentage, a fraction, or an angle, okay, and you will be able to move from any one of these to provide the other based on the information given to you. So if we have a look at this one, this pie chart we've been given today, the information, the pie chart is showing the favourite subjects of 300 children. So this is a key bit of information. So this whole pie chart here refers to the 300 children's choices, what their favourite subjects are. The information we've been given about those subjects has all been given to us in the form of a percentage. So the whole pie chart would obviously be 100%, and we have been given the percentages for 5 of the subjects, which means we do not know currently the percentage for history, but we can work that out quite easily, and we can do that by adding up the percentages we do know. So 28 add 26 would be 54%, add 16 would give us 70%, add 6 would be 76, add the 10% for PE would be 86, which means that we have 14% must be the percentage for history to bring us back up to 100% total. So we've completed the pie chart, so every sector has the same information in now, so we have the percentages for all the subjects. We can come over and have a look at the questions. So the first question is asking us, what percentage of the children liked history the most? Well, we've just worked that answer out, so it's there for us. So it's just a case of copying it over, and the answer would be 14%. The next question asks us how many children chose maths as their favourite subject. So this time we're being asked for our answer to be given as an amount. So what do we know about the maths sector? If we go over to maths, we know that 16% of the children chose maths. Well, the total number of children is 300, so we're looking to find 16% of 300 children. Now you may have your own way of finding percentage. I'm just going to do it very simply here. So to find 10% of 300, we would divide 300 by 10, so 10% is going to equal 30. Once I have 10%, finding 5% is really easy. 5% will be is half of 10%, so it will be half of 30, which is 15. And then I need 1% more. Well, to find 1% of a number, you divide it by 100. So 300 divided by 100 will give me 3. Now, if I add these 3 amounts together, so 30, 15, and 3, I will get my answer, which is 48 children. Looking down at part C now, this time they're asking what fraction of the children chose music as their favourite subject. So we can go back up to the pie chart. We will see that music is 26%. Now remember that percent means out of 100, so I can convert this. 26% can become a fraction quite easily by becoming 26 over 100. Obviously, they have asked me to give my answer in its simplest terms. So I need to simplify that fraction. Now 26 and 100 are both even, so I can divide by 2. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So 26 divided by 2 is 13, and 100 divided by 2 is 50. 13 is not a factor of 50 and prime, so I know I've come to the fraction in its simplest form. So my answer here would be 13/50. Now the next question is asking me for the size of the angle for the PE sector of the pie chart. So if we have a look at this now, the PE sector I know is 10%. Now angles, the total angles in the pie chart I know from up here are 360. So I need to find 10% of 360. So to do that, I would divide 360 by 10, and my answer would be 36 degrees. So this is a simple work through. I've collated together some past mock paper pie chart questions for you to practice these skills, and I hope you find them useful. Thank you.